I'm now at the Kamgar Maidan, where I just had to come to see what kind of response the support rally for the march in Delhi had generated here in Mumbai. And what I see around me are some of the poorest farmers from across Maharashtra, many of them from tribal communities who have assembled here. I'm going to give you a sweeping look at what I see in front of me. So that in the distance is the municipal corporation, next to which of course is the dome of VT, and then this is Azad Maidan, and these are people who have literally lived here. I mean, they've spent the last 48 hours here, and they are not locals. They have little resources. They have carried whatever bags that they could find. They are not people who are used to traveling, so they don't even really own much by way of luggage. But they have traveled. They've traveled a long distance, and they have fetched up over here. And it infuriates me that people will repeatedly tell you that these are fake farmers and fake agitationists and fake this and fake that. Do these people look fake to you? Does their poverty look fake to you? Do they look like people who are insurrectionists or seditious or anything like that? These are people who are fighting for their lives and their livelihoods, and they are here. I think I've done too much talking already. Let me just share with you the images. You see images of Jyotiba Phule, which tells you see images of Gandhi, you see the hammer and sickle, you see Shahu Maharaj, you see the symbol of the All India Kisan Coordination Committee, Kisan Sabha caps, and in a wonderfully subversive act, they have taken the line Satya Shodhak, which is more commonly associated with the fake Shodhaks of the right wing, and they have said, okay, we are Satya Shodhaks as well. We are here to find the truth, and they are wearing caps saying Satya Shodhak, in search of truth. I have seen larger gatherings here, I will tell you that. I have seen huge gatherings at Azad Maidan during the NRC CAA NPR protests. But this is different. These are people who have traveled long distances. Those people came from Bombay to Bombay. These people have come from really God knows, probably from places like Nandurbar and Gadchiroli and Latur and I don't know where else. I mean, all over the place, probably from Konkan. And there is Khalsa Aid. In all such places, there is always Khalsa Aid. And Khalsa Aid will probably be doing a langar, and I'm going to walk you towards that. These people really have come here with nothing. There's very little that they brought with them. You can see the kind of baggage that they have. They are tired, they are sleeping it off, but this is it. Their minimal possessions in these, very, very basic kind of backpacks and regular shopping bags. That's all they own. That's all they possess. And then Khalsa Aid in the middle distance offering langar. You see Bhagat Singh there. You see Netaji's picture there. This is so reassuring that this is not something which just that a bunch of Punjab farmers are doing. Those Punjab farmers have evoked something fundamental. They have created a resonance which we can all feel wherever we are. These are ordinary poor people. They are probably in Mumbai for the first time. This is probably the first time they have seen a big city. It's astonishing. It's great. It's fantastic. I just love this. Langar Seva, Kisan Ekta Morcha. Brilliant. Brilliant. Share this video and tell people if you think that these are fake. that these are foreign agents, that these are Khalistanis. They need to know better. They need to know better. On that note, I'm going to leave you alone.